Welcome to Margaritaville Island Reserve in Riviera Cancun. We're going to take you around and show you a overview of this new resort. As you come into the front door, you're greeted by the awesome staff here. You've got your check-in on one side of you, and just a lobby behind you. Lots of comfortable seating just to sit and chill. Okay, when you come down here to this giant flip-flop, sorry, that's super cool. There's all this really comfy seating around here. Look at this. With the hanging beds and the seats, you can just sit here and chill forever. And they play the best music. Okay, you're gonna find signs everywhere directing you to the different areas of the resort. Each building has its own name. So see, building 1 is Living It Up, building 2 is Hemisphere Dancer, and so on. But what we're gonna show you right now is the Saint Somewhere Spa and the Fitness Center. Because Jason's all about his fitness center, huh?
Yes.
Little details here. This is the sand for the ashtrays, and yes, there is a parrot stamped into the sand. Alright, so we are heading into Saint Somewhere Spa, and the Fins Up Fitness Center is in here as well. On the other side of the lobby, we're going to show you over here. Down here is the store, the merchant shop where you're going to get your things for your mini bar and compass bar. Anytime you're curious of where you're going, just follow the Fins. The Fins will lead the way. Alright, so here's the Margaritaville store, and so they've got, you know, pretty much anything you need Margaritaville in here, plus it's where you buy your sundry items in case you forgot something at home. The Joe Merchant Shop is a really cool concept. You get points whenever you check in, and with those points you come in here and you get whatever you want for your mini bar. So it's a customized mini bar. So your points are based on how many nights you're here and what kind of room you're in, and then you just come and get whatever you want, take it to your room, and you've got a mini bar. So check this out. Inside of Joe Merchant is the coffee bar. So the coffee bar and the pastries in the case are all included, no extra charge. And they make pretty good coffee here. Jason got an Americano and he said they made it perfect. Main indoor bar is the Compass Bar. They play live music here at night, and this bar is open late. This is one of the coolest pictures in here. This is a trick photo. It looks like a parrot, but it says, "Can you find the woman to blame?" Take a look. Let us know if you can see the woman in the picture. Come outside from the main building, you're gonna hit the main restaurants. So there's an Italian restaurant, a Latino restaurant, then the beach house is all on the beach, and then further to the left is Rita's Taco House. So there are 4 restaurants to choose from at this resort. If you're wanting something healthy for breakfast, you can come here to the Blender Bar and get smoothies and, let's see, bubble teas and smoothies, and the really coolest thing is you can mix it yourself on the blender bike. Check this out. So they'll put everything in the blender for you, come strap the blender to the bike, and you do all the work to blend it. Main restaurant here that's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is the Beach House. We ate here on our first meal. The cool thing is it's a completely open air restaurant and you're literally sitting where you can see the beach. Very cool, and the food's really, really good. Outdoor bars. The one behind me is the main bar. It's the 5 o'clock somewhere bar, obviously. Every bar does have a pool either right by it or attached to it. This one is getting a new roof because of the recent hurricane, so it's closed while we're here, but they said it would be open in a day or two. So when you get to come to the resort, you get to enjoy the 5 o'clock somewhere bar. But no fears, right below the 5 o'clock somewhere bar is the 5 o'clock somewhere beach bar. So you're still gonna get a drink. Okay, there are all types of rooms here, and this is a courtyard area that's right off the 5 o'clock somewhere bar. The really cool thing is every single room has a porch, and the porch has Adirondack chairs on it. So check out this little courtyard area. So the flip-flop is the heart of the resort. We could see it from inside and now we're seeing it from outside. So when you're standing right here, you're kind of in the center. We were just at the 5 o'clock somewhere bar, which is to my left, and now we're going to the License to Chill bar on the right. All right, so this is the License to Chill bar over here, and it's got a nice big pool with the stone loungers in it, and then a second like hot tub pool over here. One thing that is super, super cool about this resort is the beach is right there. Like literally, the resort is on the beach. You have beach access all over, and it's a quaint little beach right here. Check it out. So you see you have all of these access points where you can get out onto the beach. Lots of beach loungers, so you're not gonna have any problem finding a spot, and straight into the water. Little disclaimer about the water. The water is murky right now because of all the rain that's been happening here. It doesn't normally look that dark, but the rain has flooded the mangroves, which the mangroves are behind the resort, which is making the swampy water come back out into the Caribbean, which is making it murky. So don't think that the resort always has murky water out here, because it doesn't. This is kind of a fluke for us right now. Okay, right past the Beach House restaurant is the Island Ambassador office. Okay, so what are Island Ambassadors? They are basically concierge for everybody here. So you don't have to be in a special room type or a suite to get an Island Ambassador. Everybody has one. They're here to help you with anything you need. They'll make your dining reservations. They'll answer your questions. They'll give you a personal tour whenever you get here. Really, really cool concept, the Island Ambassadors. All right, we're getting into another pool area here and Rita's Taco House. Let me just say, these tacos are amazing. We ate here yesterday. We're eating here again today. Definitely a highlight of Margaritaville is Rita's Taco House. Okay, so just past Rita's, we're gonna call this like swimming pool row, and you'll see what we're talking about. There's a couple of main swimming pools, and then each building over here has swim up rooms. So there's pools that kind of run along each of the buildings. This is the area we're in over here, and it's called Finn's Right. So the far over there is called Finn's Left. We're in Finn's Right, and this is a really cool area of the resorts. And then see, all of these rooms right here are swim up rooms. So you have pool entrance, and then you have room entrance. And here's the walkway in between the pools. Okay, so when you come back here, there's another big pool. There is a volleyball net setup so you can play beach volleyball or pool volleyball. And then more pool on this side. Walk across the bridge and we're going to the Sos Bar. Okay, so around the Sos Bar are more of these floating beds like we saw up in the lobby. This is a really cool area to hang out. Good music playing. There's a bar right over here, about to show you that. So they also set up live bands here in this area, and that was really, really cool.